Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Platano Maduro. First, let's talk about choosing the perfect plantain. You want them to be mostly black or a very dark yellow with plenty of black spots. This color tells you they're sweet and ready to be enjoyed. They should also feel soft when gently squeezed, but not mushy. Green plantains are great for other dishes, but for Maduros, we need that beautiful ripeness. Now that you have your perfectly ripe plantains, it's time to prepare them. Start by carefully cutting off both ends. Then, make a shallow lengthwise slit along the peel, just deep enough to break the skin without cutting into the sweet flesh. You can then easily peel the skin away. Once peeled, slice your plantains diagonally into pieces about 1/2 inch thick. This ensures they cook evenly and get that lovely golden brown crust. For that classic, delicious result, we're going to fry our plantains. Heat about 1/2 inch of vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium heat. You want the oil to reach around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your plantain slices into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Then, transfer them to a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. Your delicious Platano Maduro are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them warm as a fantastic side dish or even a sweet snack. They pair wonderfully with savory meals like rice and beans or alongside roasted chicken or pork. For a little extra something, a tiny sprinkle of sea salt can really bring out their natural sweetness. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.